such a nice day today. So happy. Happy birthday.
Thank you. You should see yourself. You're the one who looks pretty. It's like,
Me too.
The first time we tried the Korean chicken, I was with her, and then the second time it's with her again.
Yeah.
We're just so excited.
But actually, it was so sudden, you know. What happened?
Hold on. Okay, 2 seconds
It's
before
okay. Look at her, it's so pretty.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Aren't you cold? By the way, it's winter.
Wow.
This is gummy chicken. We're going.
Yes.
They sell Korean chicken Hey! Cheers, cheers!
Thank you. Alright. And how is work going?
Work is work.
Work is work.
Yeah, not very special. Everyone type. Oh, I just bought it.
Oh, really? Wow.
But I ordered online. It comes, but size. This is the chicken, sweet chili chicken. What's yours?
And original. This one's original
Wings.
chicken.
Wings, no wings.
Wings and legs and yeah.
Do you want to?
Yes.
Wow. Looks amazing. Thank you. Do you have a wet tissue or something? Oh my god, looks amazing, crunchy.
I know. Yeah, I'm trying.
Or I can go there by myself. You can just...
No. Yes. Perfect. So where are we?
Oh!
Yes.
That's what... Okay. But that's hard. So gorgeous.
I know, right?
Oh my god. Oh my god, you're exactly like a model.
Okay. Yay! Perfect. Mwah. Wonderful. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow.
So funny.
Wow.
Stop it.